Okay, test one. Just the basic stuff. Here we got the Spotify recorder. Uh, there was a dude named Richard asking for how should I download this thing, and I thought I should, kind of zip the file and send it to him with a little, kind of tiny message there. And this is the whole program. Pretty basic. You don't have to do much. You just run the exe. If your Spotify is not running, it will just bring it up automatically. And the only thing you need to do is go to the song that you want to play. It doesn't matter, and just play the song. Kind of select just your song. Which kind of shows down here the name, the artwork, and stuff. And it doesn't matter if you leave it here or kind of if you can set it to the 0 if you want, but it doesn't matter because it does it all automatically all over again. And here's the program, and here's the Spotify here. And this playlist mode thing is if you want to record a single song, just you turn this off and it will just kind of just record that one song, and it won't go kind of it won't record the next songs, upcoming songs. And you have to press the record. Now here we want the playlist mode, you want the record. Select desktop. Will ask you for a folder which saves the songs, recorded songs there, and hit OK. And as you can see, it automatically, you know, oh, oh, here's how it works. Now it basically records the song here and the artwork and stuff, and whenever it ends, you kind of skip it there. For the few seconds, and as you can see, it automatically pauses the song, and okay, that shouldn't have happened. uh, yeah, uh, this happens uh, when this happens. There's kind of bugs and stuff here. With the actual problem is with the Spotify's API that doesn't respect the API calls and just does whatever it wants. I just added in a beefy delay between the API calls, but anyway, it doesn't work. It just whenever it wants to respect the API calls, it respects. Whenever it does not, just basically does what the fuck ever he wants. He wants that one. Spotify wants. And here's it. Here's the basic stuff. And if you leave it on playlist mode, it will just record all of the songs that comes after that, and you'll have your files like this. And I'm not sure right now if it uh, did the tags or not, but yeah, no, it didn't do it. But you'll basically have your album cover here, the title, artist, and everything just will automatically right here. And this thing is portable. You can kind of do whatever you want with it. Just a single exe, like 4 MB max, and you can do whatever you want with it. Just basic stuff. And this one leads you to the GitHub page, and basic. It has a lot of bugs right now. Uh, there's I don't know. I should fix a lot of stuff here. It's just kind of alpha version of the program, and I'm just doing this as a hobby. It's not something I just do it for kind of make a living on it. And yeah, if you like to contribute to the program, just it's on GitHub. You can just download it from here, it will give you the source code. But if you want to download it from the exe file, you have to go to the releases here, and you have the exe file here. This is the source code, but this is the exe file that you want. The source code does not contain the exe file. You have to just open it up in Visual Studio, build the whole thing, and it will just give you the exe file. And right now I just tested this program on the Windows 10 because that's only I have right now. I have another laptop, but it's Windows 10 too, and I can't do much of stuff on it. And just I don't know, basically works. It works in Windows 10. I guess most of the people just use Windows 10 right now. And the other thing is you will need .NET Framework. I guess 4.6.1. It's here on the uh, mm, yeah 4.6.1, and you'll need a kind of basic Spotify ad blocker for it. Just simple stuff. And to not just record the ads. Yeah, I tried to do something to not record the ads, uh, but I don't know. I haven't tested it yet because uh, in my country, I don't know why Spotify does not have any ads, so I couldn't just try that, kind of run into some ads and stuff to see how it works. But the other thing is because it records the whole sound of your system, you will not want to have any kind of I don't know, notification sounds and that kind of stuff in there because it will record it and write it to the file, and you can't do anything about it. Just beware of that. Just mute all of your Telegram, Facebook, kind of browser in the background stuff to just I don't know, prevent that kind of stuff if you're doing a long playlist recording. Because and that was my one of my mistakes. I just recorded the whole thing, a whole playlist, and then after the kind of I don't know a few days of recording, I noticed that yeah there was my Telegram open in the background, but I muted it on the computer, on the sound of the whole system. I muted that, and then I was listening to the musics and just heard kind of just Telegram voices, and I was like, what, who's messaging right now, where is the notifications and stuff. And then that's when I knew I fucked up and I had to record the whole thing because I was chatting in the background with my phone there, and all of those kind of notification signs come here too, and the whole shit was just ruined. The whole playlist, few days of recording and stuff, I'll just down the drain. And that's it. Just kind of be a little bit gentle with the program because it's a new program. Kind of a lot of bugs and stuff. You don't want to just smash it into some walls and stuff and kind of do some weird stuff with it because it might crash. I haven't reached that level of kind of sealing the program and making it kind of idiot proof right now. It just works, kind of just works if you use it gently. If not, it will just crash. And but on the long run, yeah, I recorded the playlist for a full week on my kind of I have another motherboard there, just kind of server and Windows server on it, and I recorded the whole huge playlist on it, like 400, 500 songs for a full week, and it did pretty good. It just works fine and didn't crash. All the songs were just. And the other thing is, if you have Spotify free Spotify account, the audio that it gives you, it will be recorded in 320, yeah, 320p, not p, kilobits per second. Uh, but the actual file is upsampled. The actual audio that is coming out of the Spotify is 128. And but if you have premium, you're good to go. It's all in full quality. But anyhow, the program will just upsample it to 320 kilobits per second, and you'll be golden. And yeah, uh, On the updates of the program, I don't want to just kind of mess with it a lot. I will just make it some kind of more sealed. I'll compress the exe file and make it slimmer as much as possible. And I'll try to just fix the bugs that there is on the known issues on the GitHub page. So uh, there's that kind of stuff. I don't know. And most of my problems were just with the lamp, not the lamp, lame. Lame library. Lame library is the library that records the MP3. Yeah, it's the MP3 encoder, and I have a lot of issues with that because it just randomly crashes, and I have to handle the whole shit. And when I handle the whole thing in the middle of a song, just the whole thing gets ruined because you have 1 second missing there, and it's just 1 second of silence in your MP3 file and that kind of stuff. And about this, Spotify's API not respecting the API calls, as I said there on the GitHub page, you have to just restart your Spotify client. That's the only thing we can do. I tried that, it worked, but other than that, just I don't know. Just kind of restart it frequently. Kind of when you are not recording anything, just keep it. Kind of close it and open it because sometimes when it's being open in the background for like hours, it just gets, I don't know, a little bit disrespectful and doesn't respect the API calls. And that's it. The links of the program will be down below. Just go there and just check out the program. And if you like it on the GitHub, give it a star there. And of course, shameless plug. Uh, I accept kind of donations and stuff. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zcash, all of them. The wallets are down below on the GitHub page. And that's it. If you liked it, just you know what to do. Like or dislike, or just go on the GitHub page, give it a star there. And thanks for being with me today.